Let me get my head on straight. Hold on. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can tell, I've been feeling a little dramatic. I'm very excited about it. I enjoyed it so much. I opened my Jaclyn Hill 2 palette and I opened it and I literally just looked at the colors and I was like, this is happening today. So it happened, so you're welcome. This video is going to be about what I bought for the VIB sale, which happened on Friday. If you want to see what I bought or what I was thinking of buying, please keep watching. I am going to be showing you in, I don't know which side are you gonna put it on? I'll be showing you on the screen what I bought, like one of the products, and then I will tell you why I bought it and a little bit about the product. I do have my phone in front of me. I do know some about the products, but not completely everything. The first one I'm gonna start with is a rebuy. So really, a lot of people have this already. I just really love it. It was on sale already, so I just added it to the pile. So the first product is the Marc Jacobs Beauty, the Omega Bronzer. So I love this bronzer. I had this bronzer, it's done, but you know, it takes forever to actually finish the bronzer because the pan is so big. I ended up getting it for $45.50, which is amazing. You know, it's $60 normally, or 65 actually, my bad. It is 65 usually, which, you know, I could live with saving 20 bucks. I'm not mad about it. So I bought that. We know it smells like coconut. It is so great for almost every single skin tone. So I really do love the product. And that is one of the reasons I just repurchased it. But also, as a sad thing, I dropped it when it was like right rim, like the rim was like around the pan, like that little bit left. I dropped it and it cracked. So it was time. It was time for a new one. That was the world saying like, girl, you can't get any more out of this bronzer. Just let it go. So I let it go. Anyway, on to the next product. The next product I picked up is also a rebuy, but I just love this so much. So I just bought it. When I can get things for 20% off, I'm not gonna complain. So the next product is the First Aid Beauty Hello Fab Coconut Skin Smoothie Primer. I love this primer. This is a great primer for hydration. I love that about it. It smells like coconut. It's made from coconut water, if I'm not mistaken. I will make sure. Okay, so yes, it is made with coconut water, which I didn't know was also made from quinoa protein and a mineral blend, which supports like skin health. So it's supposed to help like protect, nurture, and support the skin. And it helps to hydrate and support the skin. It says support the skin a lot, but I really do agree with this product. It's so good on my skin, but I use it a lot when I'm really having that dry skin. It really helps. So I use this a lot. I thought it was a great rebuy. I picked it up for $40, which is the normal price. So, you know, minus 20%, not mad. Next, this is something that a lot of people own that I should have owned a long time ago, but I keep talking myself out of it. I don't know why. I just always talk myself out of it. So a little backstory here. Okay, actually I'll tell you the product first. So the product is the Natasha Denona Bronze Eyeshadow Palette. We all know what that looks like. Look how beautiful it is. It's almost swore. It is beautiful. If I was an eyeshadow palette, like if you know me, you've been watching my channel, you're subscribed to me, which you should be. If you're not, you should do that. But if you watch my videos, you'll know I am all about the browns. Browns. I love brown eyeshadow. Bronze, brown, reddish browns, neutral browns. I live for it. So this palette, why don't I own it? That's the real question. But I always look at the palette and I think, $87? Am I like, what? No. So I was obsessed with the Trichrome one that they came out with. I was loving that. I was obsessed with it. But do I want to spend $170 on that? Absolutely not. Are you like crazy? The fact that it's the same size as the bronze palette and it's 170 and the bronze palette is 87, is that supposed to be fair in any way, shape, or form? I don't really think so. So I did pick up the bronze palette finally because I thought to myself, do I need this colorful palette when I have a ton of colorful palettes? Or I could buy something I know I'm going to get a lot of use out of. And also I heard the shadows are amazing. Next thing I picked up is, I've been so excited to try this. You don't even understand. I've been waiting for the sale. You don't understand. I've been waiting for the sale because not that this is that expensive. Well, it can be. I don't want to be that person where I'm like, oh, it's not that expensive. Really, like it is expensive. So the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dew Drops. I have heard amazing things about this and I need it. This I've been dying to try because I heard like you get like the glow of a lifetime. We all know I need a glow in my life. So I need that on my face. right? So the information on this product, because I have not tried this before, it is a breakthrough multi-use highlighting serum that hydrates and visibly reduces the look of hyperpigmentation for a dewy, reflective glow without mica, what is that? I don't know what that is. Glitter or gray cast. That's a dream. But this is also a vegan, cruelty-free, and comes in recyclable packaging. I can definitely appreciate that. I love that. So not mad. So the next product I'm trying, my friend told me to try this actually, and she is hella excited because I'm always telling her to try products. She recommended the Bloom Meltdown. So I'm having a couple little breakouts and she told me that this is like magic. You put it on before you go to bed, you wake up and your face is clear on the spot. So I am so excited to try this. It says it's a cleansing oil for acne prone skin, which I did read to you. And I know I don't have acne prone skin, but it says for skin type, it can be for any skin type. So this is supposed to really help clear up your skin if you have any problem areas, any problems at all. Next, I have a rebuy. This we know I love. I showed it in my skincare video. If you haven't watched it, you should check it out. This is the Pharmacy Green Clean Makeup Removing Cleansing Balm. I already know what this is. I put it on to remove my makeup instead of using wipes. I'm kind of over wipes. I watched this video where somebody put foundation on an orange, like on the peel of the orange, and like you know how it has like the little dots on it. Somebody used like a wipe after to wipe it off, and it's supposed to like represent your pores. I saw that once and I was like, I'm never using a wipe again. So now I am onto the cleansing balm, which I really love because you put a little bit on your hand, you just warm it up, and it literally takes off your makeup real quick. If you see my video that I posted on skincare, you'll see how I took off my makeup with it and how it actually works really well. So if that's something you want to see, you should check out my skincare video. I will link it down below as well so that you can see it. If you want to see how it works and how quickly it works, you can definitely do that too. I am obsessed. When I say obsessed, I mean obsessed. I haven't even used this brand before, and I'm so excited to try it because I'm obsessed with what it looks like. So this is the Artist Couture Ethereal Bloom Eyeshadow Palette. Do you see how beautiful that is? This is Artist Couture, but I've never used Artist Couture before. This is a limited edition palette and it was $40. Again, minus 20%, not mad about it. So I was so excited to get this and something just drew me to this palette. I don't have a palette with this like color story. I don't know what it is that just really drew me and I'm really excited to get this palette. Like, did I need it? Probably not, but did I have to get it? That is a yes. This I haven't tried as well. I do use some of the skincare from this brand, but I have not used this particular product. This is the Ordinary Glycolic Acid 7% Toning Solution. I don't have a lot of dullness or a lot of uneven texture. I just find I have a little bit of uneven texture just over here lately. Like I said, this is for normal, oily, combination, dry, and sensitive skin. I love a product that is great for sensitive skin. That's amazing. I like the products in this line as well. So I use their hyaluronic acid, I use their caffeine solution. I like this line. It's not super expensive. It's very, very affordable. And a lot of their products get the job done. So that is something I can definitely appreciate. So it says it's an exfoliating toning solution with 7% glycolic acid, amino acids, aloe vera, ginseng, and Tasmanian pepperberry. I don't know what that is, but I'm sure it's something good. Hold on. That might actually be it. Was that it? That might be it. All these products were 20% off. If you don't know how the Sephora VIB sales work, it is one in the spring, one in the fall. If you're a beauty insider, you get 5%. If you are a VIB, you get 15%. And if you're VIB Rouge, you get 20%. I'm VIB Rouge, so I do get 20% off. So I really like to take advantage of the 20% off. That's an amazing thing to get. I love the fact that you could save a little bit of money, especially if you want to try a new product. So definitely use your time wisely and go get some sales. You should do it. Or if you have a friend that has like the 20% or the 15%, you should do it. That's all for this video, guys. I hope you liked the video. I hope you like me telling you what I bought. Please like, subscribe, comment down below. Let me know what you want to see because I love to make content you want to see. And please don't forget to subscribe. I would really appreciate it. As always, guys, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.